time to watch this promotional video for this course on painting in watercolours outside, or as they say in France, en plein air, and how to get started with me, your tutor, Nicola. Now, whether you want to go out and paint complete paintings in the great outdoors, or just want to feel confident going out and getting some watercolour sketches down and gathering information, this course is going to help you immensely. It's specifically for watercolour painting, and I'm going to take you through the whole process. I'll show you what I take when I go out, keeping things to the minimum. You'll see some of my students doing a composition and painting on location, and me completing the same painting for you to have a look at and have a go. There are a couple of other examples as well, and there's some valuable information, really useful even if you don't want to go out and paint in the open, because there's one really helpful lecture which is all about how to measure and scale down your drawing so you can actually fit it on the page. A problem some of you have, I know. So it's a really handy little course, so I hope that you're going to have a look at the preview lectures, have a look at some reviews of my other courses, and dive in there and get painting. I hope to see you in the first lecture.